Hi there! Today we are going to make a flower morning glory. So let's see, what do we have in our book? We see something very interesting here. Yes, it's a beautiful flower and we can make it in 4 simple steps. So let's grab our pencil and start making the first step. Yes, at first we are going to make a very big oval. After we make the oval, we are going to make 2 curved lines at the bottom and make sure they are from the center. After that, we will start making this beautiful leaf-like structure at the bottom. And then we are going to make these beautiful curves right on top of our oval. Yes, you can draw this a little darker to distinguish the rough and the fair drawing. Once we are done with that, let's make this curve right here and then the design on top of it. Well, when we make this design in such a way, it seems like that the flower is hollow from the middle. Yes, this is all about perspective. Let's draw the outline and then the inside part. Can we do this together? This is amazing. Go very slow while sketching this part. Once we are done with that, we will do this curve and then the leaf at the bottom. This looks lovely, isn't it? I'm so excited to color this. Are you excited? That's lovely. Let's take a lavender color or a purple color or a violet color and start coloring this. Yes, we will do the outline, but we will make sure that we do not press the color hard. We will lightly start coloring this at first. In the center, let's put some pressure and make this line so that this looks hollow. And now we will start coloring inside. We can keep a few spaces wide wherein the light is falling. Let's color the inside part a little darker so that we see that place is hollow. Yes, it gives us a beautiful 3D effect, isn't it? Can we make these parts a little darker now? Yes, let's do this together. And now let's take purple color and start coloring this. Yes, we are going to do this a little darker at first and then start going a little lighter. Something like how we are doing it here. And then let's take our green color and do the bottom part. This looks brilliant. Now we will take yellow color and do these parts. This looks very interesting, isn't it? That's lovely. We will now give the finishing touch-ups here. This looks amazing.